Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I unboxing this camera Hikvision Wi-Fi model DS-2CV2027G0-LDW. Okay, this is box outside and this is some out spec. This camera built 2 megapixel and with the color blue, it means that 24 color day and night. And the most important point is camera is fail alarm recursion through human and vehicle target classification based on deep learning. It means that when we on the notification, the camera based when it got the message sent to our phone, it based on deep learning. It means that, and 2 audio and waterproof resistant IP6 built in. And one more thing, built in the micro SD memory up to 256 GB. Okay, now we go to open this the box together. Okay, let's start. Okay, open. This is a paper guys, no how the book guys like the another like the EZVis. This is real template. If we mount to wall or mount to the seal, we put it first, and after you put the camera and take the true driver. And this stock key, Hikvision always keep this stock key, include this with the camera, and this is include also with the adapter 12 voltage 1 ampere. So we no need to plug in another power to this camera because they include this adapter with this camera model. Okay, my feelings, the camera is so heavy if compare with another camera like the EZVis that I ever install to customer or I testing, because it is not the plastic, it is steel, so it mean like the heavy like that. If fell down, is I think okay, not is broken. Okay, the below this button reset. Okay, wait, I open here. Wait a moment, I take the stock key for screw here. Wait a moment. Okay, here this is a memory slot and button reset here, and this button is not fell down because he built in with the cable line. Okay, finish the video. The next video I will to show you how to configure and how to use this camera model and if compared to another model. Oh, okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like and share. Thank you. Bye bye. Welcome the next video. Bye.